All right, we're diving deep into the digital nervous system of a modern lending operation. This is your all-access pass to the admin lead portal. Think of it as the command center, where literally millions of dollars in loans are managed every single day. So let me ask you this. What does it actually take to keep a multi-million-dollar loan operation running smoothly? Well, it's a super high-stakes game of speed, security, and just intense organization. One slip up, and things can get really messy really fast.
And that's exactly why we're going behind the scenes. You're getting an exclusive look inside the digital command center where all the action happens, from managing who can do what to making those critical data-driven business decisions. So, let's get started.
Okay, first things first, you gotta get in. And secure access is everything. But it's really important to understand that not all keys unlock the same doors here. This whole system is built around a clear hierarchy of power. Getting a new user into the system is all about security. Once an admin creates your profile, you're not going to get a temporary password. Instead, you'll use the forgot password link, which kicks off a secure email. From there, you set your own password, and then you lock it all down with two-factor authentication. It's kind of like a simple but super crucial digital handshake. Inside this system, your role pretty much defines your reality. So a loan originator, or an LO, has this really focused view. They can only see the deals they're working on. Makes sense. Then you have the processor. They can see the entire company pipeline, but they can't actually start new business. And then you have the admin. They see everything, they can reassign loans, and they hold the keys to the most powerful tools. It's this structure that keeps the whole operation humming along, both organized and secure. Once you're in, this is where you land, the dashboard. Seriously, think of this as your mission control, or maybe the cockpit of an airplane. It's the one spot where you can see the entire operation in real time. And all your main controls are sitting right there on the left-hand sidebar. Every key area, from your pipeline to the super powerful admin tools, is always just one click away. Now, the pipeline overview is really the heart of the dashboard. And it's this perfect example of making data something you can act on. See, these aren't just static numbers. Every single slice of this chart is a live link. So with just one click on, say, expiring soon, bam! The system instantly filters the view to show you exactly what needs your attention right now. It's designed to turn that high-level summary into an instant to-do list. And of course, for a little bit of friendly competition, you've got the leaderboard. It shows you exactly where you rank against the top performers in the entire company, based on how much you funded. It's actually a pretty clever way to motivate people and give everyone a quick snapshot of who's really crushing it. So we've had the 30,000-foot view from the dashboard. Now let's zoom in and get our hands dirty in the pipeline itself. This is where an admin goes from just watching the flow of business to actually directing it. This page is basically the master list. Every single application, from the moment it's an idea to the day it's funded, lives right here. An admin can instantly search for a specific borrower by their email or filter the entire view by the loan stage. It gives them total visibility and, more importantly, total control. Okay, so let's talk about a real-world problem. What happens when a top loan officer goes on vacation or is just totally swamped? A deal can't just grind to a halt. This is where one of the most critical admin powers comes into play, reassigning a loan. In just a few clicks, an admin can move that application over to another licensed officer, making sure that no borrower is left hanging and the business never misses a beat. It's a huge deal. Now, as you're working, you might see this term pop up, MISMO, and you might be wondering, what on earth is that? Well, think of it like a universal language for loan data. It's a standardized file format that lets all the different computer systems across the entire lending industry talk to each other perfectly. It's a really crucial piece of this whole puzzle. And the system is smart about it too. It won't even let you generate that MISMO file until an application has officially hit the income verification stage. This is a great example of how the portal intelligently manages your access to important tools based on where a loan actually is in the process. All right, now we're really going to go under the hood. The admin tools section. This is where administrators get their hands on the controls that truly shape how their organization is structured and who gets to do what inside the portal. Inside, you're going to find two totally different tools for managing people, and it is so important to know the difference. The Loan Originators tool is for your frontline sales team, the people bringing in the business. It even connects to the official NMLS database to automatically pull in their licenses. Cool, right?
Then you've got the Users tool. That's for your internal team, your fellow admins and support staff. So think of it this way. One's for the players on the field, the other's for the coaches in the office.
So let's say you just hired a whole new team of 10 loan officers. Are you going to add them one by one? No way. The system has a bulk upload feature. You just fill out a simple CSV template with all their info, upload the file, and boom, 10 new users all set up and ready to go in just a couple of minutes. And here's a fantastic little pro tip straight from the documentation for using that bulk upload tool. If a user doesn't have a specific license number you need to enter, don't leave the cell blank. That'll cause an error. Instead, you just type the word licensed. It's these little details that make the whole process so much smoother.
But, what about when things go wrong? It happens. Here's a super common but critical problem. A user's email, which is their unique ID in the system, gets typed in wrong during setup. You can't just go in and edit it. So what do?
The solution is actually a really clean 3-step fix. First, you deactivate the old incorrect account. Second, you create a brand new one with a correct email. And then, and this is the most critical step, you use that reassign feature we talked about to move all of their active loans to the new correct profile. Just like that, the pipeline is fixed and zero work gets lost. Okay, for the final part of our tour, let's look at how an administrator turns all this daily activity into actual business intelligence. Welcome to what I like to call the Intelligence Hub. Every single night, like clockwork, the system automatically crunches all the day's numbers, and it generates these key reports on everything from funding and the current state of the pipeline to even compensation. And this, right here, really highlights the true strategic power of being an admin. These downloadable reports are created automatically, but access is completely exclusive. This information is reserved only for admins, letting them turn all that raw data into a powerful tool for making high-level strategic decisions. Which really brings us to our final thought. This portal, it gives an admin the power to see absolutely everything that's happening in their organization, from one single application all the way up to the performance of the entire team. So the real question isn't about the tool itself, it's about how you use it. When you can see everything, what's the most important thing to look for?